name is Chaaranvi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn English alphabet. Today's date is 10/4/2021. Today is Saturday. Please be ready with your 4-rule book like this and pencil and eraser. Now we are going to start English alphabets. So this is A. This is A. This is A. A is for apple. Now we are going to write B. B. The sound of the letter A is apple. Now the sound of letter B is ball. Now we are going to write B like this. B. Now we are going to write C. C sound is ka. C is for cat. Cat. Now we are going to write C. This is C. Now we are going to write D. Like this. D. Are you all done? D sound is dog. Are you all done writing D? I am moving to letter E. Like this. Like this. This is E sound is elephant. Now we are going to write F. F sound is fan. Fan. This is F. This is F. Now we are going to write G. G. This is G. This is G. Now we are going to write H. H for hat. Hat. Now we are going to write I. Like this. I. This is I. Now we are going to write J. I sound igloo. Now J sound is juice. Juice. Now we are going to write J here. J. This is J. This is J. Now we are going to write K. Cat. Sorry, kangaroo. Actually, C and K are having same sound. Kaka and kaka. This is C sound is kaka only and K sound is kaka only. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Now we are going to write K here. K. This is K. K. Now we are going to write L. Lion. 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 Now we are going to write L here. This is L. This is L. Now we are going to write M. Monkey. 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 M for monkey. Monkey. Yum. This is M. This is M. Now we are going to write N. Nest. Nest. This is N. This is N. Now we are going to write O. Owl. Owl. This is O. This is O. Now we are going to write P. Parrot. 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 P. Now we are going to write Q. Queen. Queen. Q. This is Q. This is Q. This is Q. Now we are going to write R. Rat. Sorry, rat. Rat. R for rat. R. Now we are going to write S for sun. Sun. This is S. This is S. This is S. Now we are going to write T. T for tap. T for tap. Now we are going to write T is for tap. Tap. Now we are going to write U. Umbrella. U like this. U. This is U. Now we are going to write V. Van. V is for van. V is for van. Van. Now we are going to write W. Wall. This is W. This is W. Now we are going to write X. Xylophone. This is X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Now we are going to write Y. Yak. 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 Here I have no place, so I will write down. Come on, write down, everyone. This is Z. Come on, write everyone. Z. Zebra. Zoo also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe. If you like my video, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you. Please don't forget to write alphabets in your book every day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you.